Learn the English alphabet with example words. Let's explore the topic. A for apple. A for ant. A for angel. B for ball. B for banana. B for butterfly. C for cat. C for car. C for cake. D for dog. D for doll. D for duck. E for elephant. E for eagle. E for egg. F for fish. F for fan. F for flower. G for guitar. G for grapes. G for goat. H for horse. H for house. H for hat. I for ice cream. I for ink. I for Iceland. J for joker. J for jug. J for jacket. K for kite. K for key. K for king. L for lion. L for leaf. L for ladder. M for monkey. M for mango. M for moon. N for net. N for nest. N for noodles. O for orange. O for owl. O for onion. P for parrot. P for pencil. P for pumpkin. Q for queen. Q for quail. Q for quilt. R for rainbow. R for rocket. R for rose. S for spoon. S for snake. S for sun. T for tree. T for tomato. T for train. U for unicorn. U for umbrella. U for uniform. V for van. V for vegetables. V for vase. W for watch. W for water. W for window. X for Xmas tree. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. Y for yarn. Y for yak. Y for yacht. Z for zip. Z for zebra. Z for zero.